Sirajuddin sir, I made you host and I had given the YouTube live link also to you, sir.
Okay, madam. Thank you, madam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so
Right.
much.
షోల్డరా విరుదునగర్లో
Good evening, sir. Dear participants, am I audible?
Sir, am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir, audible, sir. Sir, kindly share a slide one of your PPT, please.
Sure, sir.
Speaker, sir, kindly share the slide one of your PPT, please.
Yes, sir. It's sharing, sir. Please wait, sir.
Okay.
Here I'm processing. Please wait.
So, dear participants, welcome to this session of 6 days national level online workshop on SPSS as well as the data analysis. So, dear participants, kindly introduce yourself through chat box, your name, designation, department, college name, city name, etc. I repeat, dear participants, kindly introduce yourself through chat box, your name, designation, department, college or institute name, city name, etc. Speaker sir, is it slide one? Speaker sir, is it slide one?
Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, audible, sir. Sir, kindly enlarge the slide one. Make it
Sure, sir.
presentable. Yeah, kindly enlarge the slide. Make it presentable more.
PPT is visible to you, sir.
Yeah, sir. Visible, sir. Speaker, sir. Sharp at 7:35, we will start the session.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Yeah. Speaker, sir. Yeah.
Yes,
Professor
sir.
Nagarajan, sir. Yeah, kindly go ahead, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, say a few lines about previous session and continue with today's session, sir.
I hope whether my screen is visible to you, and also my voice is also audible to you. Am I audible, sir? And my screen is visible?
एक मिनट, बड़ा यहाँ का screenshot. Yes, sir. Visible, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. So, good evening, participants. On a last week, we have seen the SPSS basics about how to enter the data and how to select a particular case only. And also, I am demonstrate with you for splitting the file with the help of edit menu option. And also, I have demonstrated the frequencies computing variables by using transform options. Okay. Okay. Are you have any previous are you have any doubt on your previous session? Shall I move? Whether any of you working on the past 2 days? Okay. Now I will move with the today's session. Okay. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the 5 tests. One is the frequency analysis, normality test, one sample t-test, independent sample test, one ANOVA. Say, please note that the last 3 tests are called as a parametric test. The last 3 tests are called as a parametric test. Okay. Anyway, now we will working with the today session. Say, Now, today, I have to start the session with the frequency analysis. Frequency analysis. Is anybody know about the frequency analysis? So the data set is visible to you. Whether the data set is visible to you?
Sir.
Please respond whether the data set is visible to you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much for your kind reply. So please note that today we are going to discuss about the frequencies. Today we are going to discuss about the frequencies. Frequencies is nothing but it is also called as a simple percentage analysis. It is also called as a simple percentage analysis. Suppose you are going to write a paper for any just publication for ISBN. So this test is enough to prove the collected data to present among the editors. Okay, so now I will working with the frequency analysis. So go to analysis, select the descriptives and also select frequencies. Go to analysis, select descriptives, then go to frequencies. So here you can transform any variable. There is no condition for transforming nominal, ordinal, scale. There is no condition on it. Okay, you can transfer anything. You can transfer any variable which shown you want to find out the frequency analysis. See that here now basically in so many authors we are using the frequency analysis for a demographic profile. For a demographic profile, frequency analysis are enough for us here. So please transfer that enter and also age from the age to working hours. And here I have to transfer everything and go to the statistics what you are wanting. If suppose you need a mean, you can select a mean, standard deviation, variation, etc. See, now I'm going to select a chart. Okay, in SPSS also provide some charts to you. Okay, now I go to select a bar chart. Now I have to select a present the data with the bar chart. So I need the percentage variables. I need percentage variables so that I click continue, then click OK. I click OK. I hope the output is visible to you. Can you see the output? Are you have any doubts, sir? Does anyone? Am I audible and are you have any doubt? Are you have any doubt? So are you see the output?
No, sir. Yes,
Can
sir.
you see the output? Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. So please look at that here. So there will no any missing value. The missing value means the author has entered all the values for all the questions entered correctly in a SPSS. Okay. Now frequency table. Say, please look at that with this help of with this table, we are going to write a interpretation. Okay, what we can do, just click the table. Does anyone have a doubt? Does anyone have doubt? Please mute yourself.
No, sir.
Mute yourself. Okay, please mute yourself. Okay, just click the right click the button. Just to right click and press copy, then go to the Word. Then go to the Word and click open. And click open. Okay, just double click and just press Ctrl V. And press Ctrl V. Here you can edit your data. Here you can edit your data depend upon your requirement. Okay, so please see the output. Here what it is shown that the gender is called as a gender. I need one more column so that insert left. Insert left, I will prepare the column. Serial number. That is called as the serial number. Here I have to be merge all the columns. I have to merge all the columns with cells. So now I click all border. Now click all borders. Okay, so I have merged. So please look at the table. Please arrange as per your requirement. But here you are asked to observe the variables. Here male are 42 numbers. The percentage is 61.8. Here female are 26 numbers. The percentage is 38.2. Valid percentage is also available on here. We need not last two columns. Okay, we need not last two columns. So I have to be deleted. I have not need it. Okay, I have to be not needed, so I have delete the cells. Okay. Sorry, entire delete the cell, entire column. Yes, okay. Okay. Here you can observe your variables. Okay. How do you write the interpretation? How do you write the interpretation? See, the above table show that 42, the above table show that male are in 42 numbers. The percentage is 61.8 percentage, 61.8 percentage, and female are 26, 38.2 percentage. Okay, so that is the point on here. That is the method for writing the interpretation. Okay. Whether it is understandable to you? Whether it is understandable to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So please look at the below. You can also see the diagram. You can also see the diagram. So you can also directly copy and paste in the MS Word. Just press copy. Go to the MS Word. You can just click the Control V. Here bar diagram has also appeared. Okay. So it is the method for using the frequency analysis. Okay. Here all the diagrams are shown at age, marital status, job role, etc., etc. Okay. Anyway, the individual table also you can look at. Okay. See, please look at that. The gender has appeared as a whole one. In a previous session, I have explained about the split file. In a previous session, I had explained about the split file. Suppose if you want to split anything, go to the split file. Just click compare groups. Just click compare groups. If you want to split the gender, just go the gender and click OK. Nothing will be happen. Once again, you are asked to go to analysis, go to descriptive statistics, go to frequencies. So reset all. Now we have to be click the gender and click OK. So here, please look at the table. The male and the female are in separated column. Now I also want to separate the female as a separate table. And also I want to make male as a separate column. So once again, I will go to the data, go to the split file, and I click the organize output by groups. Just press OK. Now nothing will be happen. Once again, I will go to the analyze. Once again, I will go to analysis, go to descriptives, go to frequencies, go to the, okay, gender is always on here, click OK. Please look at here. Please look at here, the table has splitted. Now the table has splitted. Okay, so it is the method for using the split table with the frequency. Okay, I hope it will be useful to you. Whether it is useful to you, shall I move to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much, madam, for your kind response. So, as per the schedule, we have completed the frequency analysis. Okay. Now we will work with the for normality test. Now we will work with.
Sir, can you repeat this whole frequency analysis? Because I late joined.
Okay, simply I have explained to you. Please note it clearly. Okay, go to analyze. Just simple steps you have to be followed. Go to analyze. Go to descriptives. Go to frequencies. Have you noted, ma'am? Go to analyze. Go to
Yes, sir.
descriptives. Sorry,
Okay.
go to descriptives. You are asked to go to frequencies. From the left hand box, you have to be transfer the right hand box, whether what kind of variable you want to transfer. Okay. You can transfer all the variables or you can transfer any particular kind of variables. Descriptives or frequencies applicable to all the table. And also now here I working with also the scale. One variable is nominal, another variable is scale. And just I click OK. So please look at the output on here. Please look at the output on here. The first one is the gender, it's already working. So the another one is the frequency table for the poor communication with the colleagues, which means 5 respondents are strongly agree. The percentage is 19.2. Strongly agree is 2, neutral 12, disagree 7. Which is note that respondents, majority of the respondents are told that they are a neutral state towards the communication with the colleagues. Okay. It is the frequency analysis, ma'am. Please.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Now, as per the schedule, I will go to the next set, which is called as the normality. See, why we have to be do normality? Why we have to be do the normality? I will see the picture on here. I will see the picture on here. See, normality test is applicable for parametric test. Okay. After collecting the data, as a researcher, you are responsible to fix the data analysis tool. Okay, after collecting the data, you are asked to fix the data analysis tool. The data analysis tool is depend upon the result of the SPSS. It's not depend upon the researcher mind. Okay. Suppose if you want to analyze any kind of data, if you want to apply any kind of tool, you are asked to do the 3 tests. Okay, the first one is normality, the another one is reliability, another one is validity. You are asked to do the 3 tests. After satisfy the result of the 3 tests, you can go to whether parametric or whether you may go to the non-parametric test. Okay, so
Sir, can you
among
please
the
repeat once again? If
yes, ma'am.
can you please repeat normality test?
After collecting the data, you are asked to apply 3 tests such as normality, reliability, and validity. Okay. So for applying parametric test, normality test is enough. Okay. For applying parametric test, normality test are enough. Okay. What are the parametric tests? Parametric tests are including ANOVA, one sample t-test, dependent sample t-test, etc. Today I have to be working with the parametric test. Anyway, now I will work with the normality test. Now I will work with the normality test. So please wait a minute. Say, please look at that. Now we are going to working with the normality test. Please look at the diagram. Actually, what do you mean by normality? Normality means the mean, standard deviation, and another one value is the mode. Okay, those are all the equally distributed. Those are all the equally distributed. So if you make sum of all the variables, the result is 100%. The result is 100%. Okay, which means, please look at the right hand side. It is the option. It is the option given by the respondent, which means all the options have equal value, which means if you are working with a 5-point scale, all the 5-point scale should have a equally distributed. Okay, for example, in any one research, some respondents, all the respondents may accumulated on 1 point, which means suppose you are collecting the data among the 100 respondent, nearly 80 respondents are marked all the statement towards satisfied. That is not a good one. Okay. Among the 100 respondents, 95 people are noted that highly dissatisfied. That would also be not a good one for conducting the research. So all the respondents should equally answer for all the questions. That is the normality. Your data should be equally distributed to all the variables. So now I go to working with the normality test. So how can I understand whether my data is normally distributed or not? Okay. The only one main diagram is histogram with a bell-shaped curve. Okay, whenever you are going to check your normality for your questionnaire or variable, the bell-shaped curve should be appear like that. What will be the condition for apply the normality? The first one is your sample size should be in more number. The first one is your sample size should be in more number, and also please look at that the curve should be like a bell. The curve should be like a bell, which means, say, it is looked at your data is distributed normally from all the variables. Okay, so the center point is called as a 0. After that, the right side +1, +2, +3, and the negative side -1, -2, -3. Okay, it is the default graph. It is a default graph, default value for normality test. Okay. Now I go to working with the normality test in our SPSS file. Okay. Please look at that. Please look at here. Have you seen the data set? Have you seen the data set, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I will go to the normality. See, please wait. Analyze. What you are go to analyze. In your go to analyze, please note the steps carefully. Go to analyze. Go to the descriptives. Go to the descriptives. Go to analyze. Go to descriptives. In a descriptives, we can see the you can see two boxes, right side and the left hand side. Always note that. Please note that if you want to test any variable, go to the variable in right side box. Go to kindly transfer the variable in right side from the left side to right side. From the left side to right side. Okay. Okay. Please wait. Say, now I want to check the normality for occupational stress. Okay, before going to taking the normality, I advised you that once again I want to remember the questions to you. Once again, I want to take the questionnaire to you. So please look at the questionnaire. It's already viewed on the day 1. Please look at the questionnaire. Whether the questionnaire is visible to you. Whether the questionnaire is visible to you.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Please look at the question. Please go through the first one. Please go through the first question, which means all the questions are available in the 5-point scale. Okay, to identify the reason for the stress. to identify the reason for the stress. That is the question. Okay, under this question, several statements are prepared by each classification. The stress reason has been classified as first one, occupational stress. Due to the occupational stress, the respondents are facing the stress. Due to the personal reason, it is not the occupational stress, it is the organizational reasons. It is wrongly typed as occupational. Sorry. It is called as a organizational reason. It is called as a personal reason. See, here it is called as a technological reason. It is called as a technological. Here it is called as a impact on the stress. Here it is called as a impact on the stress. Okay. Now I go to find out now I want to compute the variables. How I go to compute the variables. Please look at that. Here 5 variables are available for organizational reason. Okay. Here 5 variables are available for the organizational reason. Okay. Organizational reason means that it is shortly called as a OS. What will be the organizational reason? The first one is heavy workload. Another one is pressure from the management. The policies are frequently changed. Working hours are too long. I had allocated to the inadequate resources. So those are all the 5 variables for the reason of occupational stress. Okay. Anyway, now we will work with that. Now we will working with that. Please write. Okay. Now I go to work with the transform the variables, compute variables. Transform the variables means what I have to do. So please go to the data view. Sorry, please go to the variable view. Here O1 to O5. Have you looked at? Okay, O1 to O5. Those are the variables are going to converted as a single one. The O1 is called as a what will be the O1? What will be the coded? O1 is called as a heavy workload. O2 coded as a high pressure. O3 coded as a policies. O4 coded as a working hours. O5 coded as a organizational resources. Okay. This format for coding. So now I want to club together and formed as a single variable. Now I want to club together and formed as a single variable. Go to analyze, go to transform, go to compute variables. Now I will go to transfer all the variables to the right side box. So heavy workload, first one, and press plus symbol, and pressing the work pressure, transform the variables, press plus, and the third one, selecting after clicking this button, automatically it will be transfer on here. Automatically it will be transfer on here. And after that I have pressed the plus. The third one is missing. Okay. And I go last one. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inadequate resources. I transfer. Okay, all the variables have been transferred on here. And I want to label the new name, which is called as the organizational reason. Note that here special characters and the spaces are not allowed. Organizational reason. Okay, organizational reason. So here I have changed the name and make here new variable. Click OK. It will be available in the variable and the data view. It will be available in the variable and the data view. Please note that in a variable view, you can see the variable on here. It is called as the organizational reasons. It is called as the organizational reasons. Okay, anyway, I will shortly name as OR. OR means organizational reason. Here I will code the option. The first one will be the strongly agree. First one will be the strongly disagree. Go to add. Second one will be disagree. Click add. Third one will be the neutral. Click add. Fourth one will be agree. Click add. Fifth one will be disagree. Sorry, highly, strongly agree. Strongly agree. Click add and click OK. Click OK. What will be the scale on here? Whether nominal, ordinal, or scale? What I have to do? What I have to do? Whether nominal, ordinal, or scale? Which one I have to do?
It's scale. Sir.
Scale. Thank you. We have to be working with the scale. Okay. Now the new variable has been formed. So in a data view, you can also look at that in a last one. So please note that organizational reasons are available on here. So that now I will go to the normality for this organizational reason. Go to analyze, go to descriptives, go to explore. After in descriptive, go to explore. I want to transform the variable on here. The variable name is organizational reason. It is available on here. Here I transfer on here. Now I want to mark here plots. I need a histogram. I not stem and leaf. I need a histogram. So histogram is the main variable. Okay. Histogram is one of the main option for checking the normality. Stem and leaf also like that. But histogram is the main one. With the help of histogram, we can do the interpretation. And click continue. In the option, you can explain anyone. Okay, go to OK. So here you can simply identify whether the data is normally distributed or not. We can simply know the interpretation before going to the drawing the histogram, bell-shaped curve. Please look at the diagram. Here a bar chart only available. Here the bar chart only available. Okay, now we need to draw this curve. Now we need to draw the curve. I will explain how to draw. See, please look at here. The mean value is 15.71. The 5% of standard trimmed mean is 15.9. So the difference is little bit. There is the difference is only 0.2. I think the little bit difference is 0.2. So 0.2 is not making any big impact in the normality. So that it is concluded that the data is 98%. It is normally distributed. Now we will confirm with the bell-shaped curve. I just right click, go to the edit content in separate window. What I do, once again explain to you. Please note that. Just right click, go to the edit content. Go to the edit content in a separate window. Please note that the histogram is available on separate window. Just click this button, bell-shaped curve. Are you looking that? Show the distribution curve. Have you seen it? Are you able to see? Okay, just click it. Just click it. Here, so many options are available. I need normal. So please look at here. The bell-shaped curve is formed on here. Yeah, one condition is there. What will be the condition? See, here the curve should not touch the x-axis. That is the main one. That is the main point. See, when you may go to the normality, there will some condition. I already told that. Please include another condition is one that your data should be in a large one. Okay, your data should be a large one. Large one means at least if you are going to working with the minimum 200 or 250 sample, you can get out the exact reason. Okay, my data set has only the 68 so that the accurate result is not available on here. Okay, because of here, the x-axis slightly touch the button on here. Okay, but the curve is like a bell. But the curve is like a bell. Okay, but here we can see that some error is there. Okay, but anyway, we will accept and we will go to the analysis. Okay, anyway, just sorry, just click it. So here output is available to you. Okay, just right click and go to the, just right click and go copy the this one and paste in the MS Word and you can write the interpretation. Okay, how do you write the interpretation? You can write the interpretation is, and just press the button. Okay, go to the option, the above histogram, show that data is normally distributed with the appearance of well-shaped curve. Okay, so that researcher can go for parametric. Do you understand? Do you understand? Can you understand?
Dear participants, kindly respond to the speaker sir's question, please.
Anyway, I hope it will be understandable to you. Shall I move to the next one? Shall I move to the
Yes,
next?
yes.
Okay, now I will check the parametric test for all the tests. Sorry, all the variables. Okay, now I will working with the individual variable. We can also working with for the individual variables. So once again, go to analyze, go to descriptives, go to explore, go to explore. So here I will reset. Okay, now I will go to calculate the, I will calculate the for normality for the next 5 variables. What will be the next 5 variables? The personal reasons. The next 5 variables are personal reason. In a personal reason, I will work with the individual variables. The first one is not able to adopt the organizational changes, which will be coded as P1. Which will be coded as P1 on here. I think so. What will be the one? P3. So support from Gulick cycles. I will transfer the exact variables 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this one. Okay, and I click OK. Now I want to histogram. Please note that the histogram must be properly selected. That okay, and also check normality flatter. You can also click the mean value also. Descriptive is also always the selected option. Go to OK. Go to OK. So please note that here so support from Golix. Support from Golix. Now I want to check the normality for that. Edit content in a separate window. Go to the histogram. Go to the histogram. So please note that here it is not the proper distribution. Here it is not the proper distribution. Before the curve is rise and it is the slopely down. Okay, it is slopely down. So that is not a normal distribution. In this case, you may go to the In this case, you may go to the non-parametric test and checking the reliability and validity. Suppose the reliability value is about 0.09, you can straightly go to the label data analysis. You go to the parametric. Okay, reliability and validity will be explained on tomorrow. But anyway, here I will conclude that here I have concluded that the organizational reasons are normally distributed. Okay. The organizational reasons are normally distributed so that I will work for parametric test. So that I will work for the parametric test. In a parametric test, the first one is the one sample t test. In a parametric test, the first one will be the one sample t test. So one sample t test indicate that see it indicate that here we are going to take only one variable, compare among the all the population. All the population means suppose your data collection number is 100. The 100 is called as a entire sample, which is simply called as a population. Would you understand? So I have to be take only one variable, which will be whether it is affected the whole population or not. That is the research problem. Whether this one variable is affected or not. That is the problem on here. Would you understand the problem? Would you understand? So I will explain with you one simple reason. It can be used to health perception of a specific group. Specific group means managers. Now, here, the managers are feel that they have some health perception. Okay. In the organization, so many groups are available. Managers, employees, supervisors, so many groups are available. Whether manager group is available, whether it is affected by the health perception or not, which means whether the managers are have what they are perception they have. Okay, whether managers are have positive perception or negative perception, it depends upon the hypothesis result. Okay, the problem is whether the managers are feel how they are remind about their health perception. Okay, now we will work with the one sample t test. Now I will work with the heavy workload.
Sujas?
Yeah. Are you have any doubts, sir? Please mute yourself. Please mute yourself. Okay. Please note that. Please mute yourself. Okay. See, one sample t test. I had explained the example to you. Whether the example is understandable to you. Shall I want to repeat or go ahead?
Understood, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I hope it will be understood by all the people. Anyway,
sir.
thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. Now I have to be take the heavy workload. Now I will take a heavy workload. How the heavy workload has affected the entire respondents. Okay. That is the research hypothesis. So here we are asked to frame two hypotheses. Okay. You should always frame two hypotheses. That is, one is called as a null hypothesis. Another one is called as the alternate hypothesis. Say null hypothesis, which have a no significant. Alternate hypothesis represented as a significant. Okay. Here, the hypothesis represented that there is no significant difference between heavy workload and the total respondent. Alternate hypothesis is there is a significant difference between heavy workload and the total respondent. That is the hypothesis. See, I request you to all, please memorize this 2 point. Okay. Please memorize those 2 points. The p-value is greater than 0.05. Null hypothesis can be accepted. Suppose it is less than 0.05, null hypothesis rejected. So, null hypothesis, suppose it will be accepted, there will be no significant between the heavy workload and the respondent. Suppose null hypothesis rejected, there is a significant relationship between the variables. Would you understand?
Yes, sir.
Would you understand?
Sir.
Okay.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Now I will work with Now I'm going to working with this in a data set. So go to SPSS. What will be the variable? The variable is a heavy workload, I think. So go to analyze, go to compare means, go to analyze, go to compare means, go to one sample t-test. Go to analyze, go to compare means, go to one sample t-test. Here, I want to transfer the variables heavy workload. I want to transfer the variable heavy workload. Just I put it on here, and then you press the option. You need not to change everything. Please ensure that confidence interlevel percentage 95%. Can you say why we are giving 95%? Anyone can explain? Anyone can explain why we are giving a 95%? Anyone can explain why we are fixing the 95%? Okay, I will explain to you. In a social science research, 5% of error is accepted. In a social science research, 5% of errors are available. Other than 95% are correct. Other than 95% are correct one. That is the point on here. Okay. Anyway, it will be understandable. I click continue. And here you are asked to give a total value that is defaultly called as a 3. Why I have given a 3? Because of my data is collected by a 5-point scale. Here, my data is collected as a 5-point scale. Here, 1 plus 5, it's equal to 6 divided by 2. The value will be the 3. Suppose here it will be a 4-point scale. Okay, 4 plus 1 divided by 2. Here I am using 5-point scale. Could you understand? Strongly disagree, disagree, neutral, agree, strongly agree. Those are all your 5-point scale. Okay, it is 5 plus 1 divided by 2. Okay. So depend upon the formula, I have to be given as a total value as a 3. I have to be given a total value as a 3. So if you not fixing the 3, please note down the mean value. Please note down the mean value. The mean value is always be nearly 3. Okay. Please click OK. What is mean? Mean means average. Mean value means average. Please look at the table. Please look at the table. See, totally 42 numbers are 42 number of people are participate in this survey. The mean value is 3.2381. Okay, the mean value. Okay, I think we are applying the split value so that it is after that we are applying the split variable. It always show the male and as well as female. It is separately shown on here. The result for male, the result for female. Okay, but it is not a good one. You can also take your interpretation with us. Okay, how do you like the interpretation? So please look at the significant two-tailed variables. Please note down the significant two-tailed variable. Here the variable is 0.05. Whether it is greater or lower than 0.05. Whether it is in greater or lower. Whether it is greater than 0.05 or whether it is lower than 0.05. Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, it is greater than 0.05.
Very good. Okay, if it is now greater than 0.05, what will be that? What will we do that? What will we do now? What will be the conclusion? What will be the conclusion? See, here the
It can be accepted.
please tell me. Please tell.
Null hypothesis can be accepted, sir. There is no significance.
Very good. There is no significant result between heavy workload and the respondent, which is note that we are applying the split. We are applying the split command. So it showed that the male variable only. So it's shown, it's shown the male variable only. Now we concluded that males are not affected due to the workflow. Male are not affected due to the workflow. Okay, that is the conclusion. Because of the p value is 0.05, that is greater than, the table value is, here the table value is 0.142. We will copy and make it a Word file. Please note that the table value is, the p value is 0.142. It is greater than 0.142. Okay, it is greater than 5%, 0.05. See, now we have to be concluded that, if a 0, it is greater than 0, so the null hypothesis has been rejected. Null hypothesis can rejected. It is concluded that, please mute yourself. There is a null hypothesis are rejected. Okay. So null hypothesis are rejected. So we should conclude that there is no significant relationship between heavy workload and male response. Okay. It also deeply concluded that workload does not affect male working in TMP branch. Could you understand?
Sir, here the null hypothesis is accepted, right?
Yeah, null hypothesis accepted. Thank you for your response. Okay, so it is the interpretation. Okay, see, now I go to working for female. I just copy and also put it on a Word file. So here, why it's wrong? Sorry. Just press copy. Go to the Word file. Press here. The significant two-tailed variable are 0.13. I think it also greater than 0.05. So that null hypothesis accepted. It also concluded that female are also not affected by workload due to no significant relationship. Are you understand?
Yes, sir.
Could you understand? Okay. So it is the splitted value. Now I go to work with the merged one. I want to close the button on everyone. To see. I will freshly open the button. Once again, variable view whether it's available. No. So I will go to the transform, compute variables, transfer the heavy workload plus work pressure plus organizational policies plus long working hours plus inadequate reason plus target variable will be what will be the organizational reason. It will be noted as over. Click OK. Reserved word. Okay. Organizational reason. Click OK. In a variable, I will do the one thing, strongly agree. First one will be STA. Click add. 2, disagree, click add. 3, agree, click add. Fourth one, third one will be the neutral. Third one will be the neutral, click add. Fourth one will be the agree. Fifth one will be strongly disagree. Click add, click OK. Click OK and go to the scale. And go to the scale. And we can transform the variable and see on the data. Okay, and now I will be variable organizational. Organizational. Now I label a new variable. So now I go to working for a ensemble t-test, go to descriptives, go to the compartments, go to analyze, go to compare, go to one sample t-test. One sample t-test means only one variable. The test variables are organizational reason and the test value will be the 3. Click OK. So please note that here the one sample test variable is I will combine to the all the computed variables. The result is 0.00. The result is 0.00. See, now what will be the conclusion I have to be right? Can anyone explain? Can anyone explain? Now my null hypothesis is no significant difference among organizational and wait. I will do the samples, the entire samples. Alternate hypothesis will be significant difference among the organizational reason and the sample size. Okay, what will be the conclusion? What will be the p-value? The p-value is...
P-value is lesser than 0.005.
Okay, p-value is less than 0.05. According to the general rule, what we have to be to less than 0.0 that. So the null hypotheses are rejected. So the result is significant. Null hypotheses are rejected. Result is significant. The result is significant. So what will be the final conclusion? Organizational reasons affect the population. Affect the population or sample size. Organizational reasons are affect the population, which is deeply noted that organizational reasons cause the stress among the workers. Stress among the workers. Are you understand? Are you understand? Okay, that is the purpose of one sample t-test. Okay, only one variable I have taken. I have taken only one variable. Okay. Okay. Now, please note that the result is the result is significant, so that we can also write a result for one more table. Here, this table I just copy and I will put it on Word. Now I will put it on Word. See, please note that here the mean value is 15.692. Okay, it is the club together and including the both male and the female. It includes both male and female. Now I want to find out those who are majorly causes, whether male or female. I can do that. Go to the split. Go to the split option. Go to data, split file, transform gender. Select compare groups. Select the organization or work. Transform the gender. Click OK. Nothing will be happen. Go to analyze. Go to compare means. Go to compare means. Go to one sample t-test. Organizational reason. Click OK. Please note that the mean value has been separated. The mean value for male is 15.71. The mean value for gender is 15.71. The result is also same, 0.00. Okay, the result is also same, 0.00. It will not differ. The mean value for male is 15.71. Okay. Mean value for the male is 15.71. Female value is 15.65. Female value is 15.65. Okay. Please conclude. Those who are highly affected, compare among the gender, whether male or female. Those who are highly affected. Can you interpret? Can you tell the result?
Male.
Very good. Male are highly affected. Organizational reason. Okay, male are highly affected. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. So that is the result, extra result for your sample test. So when you are write more result for one test, surely your paper get indexed in any good journal. Okay. And also if you put in the more explanation in PhD thesis, no one ask any question. Okay, anyway, go ahead in your free time. Shall I move with the next test?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
hello.
Yes, sir.
Can you explain all the results once again? What your results?
Entire
The previous one. Two previous one.
this one, sir.
This one is rejected when it is less than 0.5. Previous one.
Okay. Okay.
Here it is accepted.
Okay. Sir, I think your doubt is the result is vary. Okay.
Yes.
No issue, sir. Please note that here I take only one variable, sir. That is called as a heavy workload.
Okay.
Have you noticed?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. I take only one variable. That's just called as a heavy workload. Okay. But here I take what variable? Organizational reason. I have clubbed all the variables. I have clubbed all the details. Here the first one I take only heavy workload. Are you understand, sir?
But when it is less than 0.5, whether it is accepted or rejected, null hypothesis.
See, the p-value is less than 0.05, null hypothesis rejected.
Somewhere it is written null hypothesis accepted when it is less than 0.5.
Sir, for one sample t-test, it is the common rule, sir. Don't
Okay.
confuse with anyone. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. For a one sample t-test, it is a common rule. Don't confuse with so many factors. Okay? Are you understand, sir?
Yes.
Okay. So please note the reason. And previously I had taken only. Please mute, sir. Previously I take only heavy workload. Here I take the organizational reason. Okay. Now we will move the next test. In a day, I have completed normality and one sample I have completed. Now I will work with the independent sample t-test. Okay. Please wait. I will work with this. Have you seen the PPT? Have you seen the PPT? Okay. Now I will work with this PPT. So independent sample test. When you are going to apply this test, when you are going to compare two groups, when you are compared to with the two groups, which means the option only have two options, which is gender, which is called as male and female. The another one is say yes or no. The another one is say yes or no. Whether the another one is satisfied or not satisfied. Only the two option. Only the two option means there will be two groups, such as male, another one is female. Are you understand? Are you understand? Okay. What will be the null hypothesis? There is no significant difference between gender and occupational stress. There is a significant difference between gender and occupational stress. Gender include both male and female. Gender include both male and female. Okay. Now I will work with this. Go to SPSS. Go to SPSS. Go to analyze. Go to compare means one sample. Paired sample t-test. Okay, paired sample t-test. Sorry. To analyze, compare means independent sample t-test. Independent sample t-test. Okay. Okay, right. Okay, what will be the test variable? What will be the test variable? I will go to transform the scaling variable on here, organizational reason. Okay, the grouping variable will be the gender. The grouping variable will be the gender. I will transfer on here. I need to define the group. Okay, please note that what will be the coded value for the gender. Here I coded 1 for male, 2 for female. So I have to be defined the group 1 are coded as 1, group 2 are coded as 2, which means what coded as male, 2 coded as female. Click continue, click OK, click continue, and click OK. You need not to select any other one, click OK. So here also splitting command is available so that the result is splitted, so that I will close the. Once again, I want to close everything, then only it will distract. Sorry for that. So I will open the press file. I will open the fresh one. So once again, I want to transform my variables quickly. So can you understand what I do? Can you understand what I do?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I clubbed all the variables and converted as a single one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. It will be called as a organizational list. Organizational list. Type on the label. New label. Sorry. Just click OK. Okay. It will be appear in the data set. Organizational list. So once again, I want to click that. One as a strongly disagree, go to add. 2 as a disagree, go to add. 3 as a neutral, go to add. 4th one will be agree, go to add. 5th one will be strongly agree, go to add. Click OK. So the scale will be the scale. The measurement will be the scale. Now I will go to work with the analyze. Go to components. Go to independent sample test. The testing variable is always be a scale. Please note that the testing variable is always will be the scale. Transform here. The grouping variable will be gender. Because of only the gender has two variable. Define the groups. The group 1 are male, group 2 are female, so that I have coded 1 and 2. Click continue. Click OK. So now the variables are clubbed together and you have a result on here. Please look at the result. Please look at the result on here. Can you see the result? Okay, the mean value is 15.71. The female value is 15.65. Okay, now you are going to take the significant two-tailed variables. Okay, you are asked to take this one, 0.950. Okay, you are asked to take here 0.91. Okay, it is greater than 0.05. Which is greater than 0.05, so that whether now the null hypothesis are accepted or rejected. I will copy and so please note that the p-value is greater than 0.05, so that null hypothesis are accepted. Okay, the null hypothesis are accepted, so that it is note that the p-value is the p-value is 0.95. Please look at the p-value on here. Please look at the p-value on here. 0.950. 0.950. So p-value is 0.950. We think it is greater than 0.05, so that null hypothesis accepted. Null hypothesis accepted. So there is no significant relationship among gender and organizational reason. Okay, so that is the conclusion. So gender most probably not affected by the gender factors are most probably not affected by the stress. Okay, anyway, it is a result for you. So I hope it will be understandable to you. Whether are you understandable? Whether it is understandable. So when you are go for marketing report, you can find out the relationship between gender and the satisfaction level. You can also find out the relationship between gender and the satisfaction level between the gender and the satisfaction level towards the product, or gender and the job satisfaction. Anyone? Okay, anyway. Okay, shall I move to the next one? Whether it is understandable to you?
Sir,
Are you understand? Hmm.
I have a doubt, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, the value you said is 0.950, right?
Yeah.
In the same column, it is another value. Why we are not taking that?
Because of we are taking two comparable means, ma'am. Please note that equally variance, note the word equally variance are assumed. Have you seen the slide, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will enlarge to you. So I hope it will be clearly understood. Equally variance assumed, equally variance are not assumed. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Here, the F value is a Leven's test equality variance. So, always the F value is above 0.09. Okay. The F value should be always 0.09, which means 90% of data are equally distributed. Okay.
Okay, sir.
100% of the data, which is called as 1.8, which means 184 percentage are equally distributed. Okay, it should be always 0.09, which means 90% of the response should be equally distributed. Equally distributed means all the participants are equally participated, all the participants are equally marked the option. Okay, in a research, now it is a social science research. It is a social science research. So all the participants should not answer the same answer. Okay, I have collected the data from 68 people. Surely it is not possible for all the 68 people are marked as a same answer. If they are marked as a same answer, surely the data is not originally collected. Surely the data is not originally collected. If all the participants are equally or unequally means a little bit difference only. Okay, equally marked all the option, the data has been collected as a original one. That is proved on the normality test. That is proved on the normality test. So that here the F value is greater than 0.9, which is greater than 90%. So that equally the significant value we have taken on here. The variants are assumed, equally assumed. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
So that I have taken this variable.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Okay. Now I will move to the next one, that is called as the one-way ANOVA. Okay, one-way ANOVA. Now I have to be to work with here. See, one-way ANOVA is taken for when we are going to compare three different groups. One-way ANOVA is going to compare with the three different groups. Okay, there is no significant difference between destination and organizational reason. Not all, okay, organizational reason or occupational stress, anything. Would you understand the concept? One-way ANOVA is applicable when you have to be compare the three different groups, which means three different teams between A, between B, between C. Okay, are you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I hope it will be understandable to you. Okay, now I will work with you. Go to the data set. Go to the data set. Go to analyze. Go to analyze. Go to general linear model. Go to general linear model. Go to univariate. Go to univariate. Here, I request you to transform the dependent variable. Here, which one will be the dependent variable? Can anyone can say which one will be the dependent variable? Destination or occupational stress? Here two variables, one destination, another one is occupational. Which one will be the dependent variable? Which one will be the independent variable? Can you understand? Can you answer? Please
Sir,
think and
designation-
answer. Yes, ma'am.
sir,
Yes, please.
Designation independent.
Destination is independent, occupational is dependent.
Stress is
No? Okay. Anyway, occupational is a independent. Occupational stress is a independent. Destination, sorry. Okay, right. Anyway, occupational is a dependent. Stress is a dependent. Destination is independent. Okay. Occupational stress is a dependent because of the stress depend upon the destination. Stress depend upon the destination. Okay. Stress may depend upon the destination, which means stress may vary depend upon the destination. Maybe clerk have high number of stress. Maybe clerk have low number of stress. So that stress is a dependent variable. Destination is a independent variable. So that now I have to be work with this. I will transform the organizational and dependent variable. In a fixed variable, I have to be transform the destination. In a fixed variable, I have to transform the destination. Okay. So you can go to postcard. Please transfer here. Please transform the Turkey. Go to the continue. And go to the contrast. You need not do anything. In a plot, please transform the destination on here. Okay, you need not that. You just need the postcard. Transform the destination. Click continue. And then click OK. Oh yeah, now table is not appearing. Clerk mail. Yes. Go to analyze. Go to compare names. Sorry. Go to univariate. Sorry, go to compare means go to one way ANOVA. Sorry, extremely sorry. I changed the option. Go to analyze. Go to compare means select the one way ANOVA. That is the two way ANOVA. Sorry. Okay, here the dependent list is organizational reason. I will transfer here. So the independent variable is destination. I will transfer here. Go to the postcard. Please click the Turkey option. Significant level is 0.05. Click OK. The option I want to homogeneity of various tests. If you need descriptive, you can also click that. Means flat, I not need that. Okay, I will click here, continue, and I click OK. Have you understand? Have you understand? Descriptive is not needed. Descriptive is not needed. Okay, please check the homogeneity. It also about 0.09. Okay, so about 0.09. So the null, it is above 90%. The main interpretation you should go with for ANOVA table. Okay, you can just copy. You just copy and press in the word. So please say that whether the significant value is 0.567. Significant value is 0.567. So what will be the interpretation on here? What will be the interpretation? The p value is here. P value is 0.567. What will be the interpretation? it's greater than 0.05. It's greater than 0.05. Okay, it's greater than 0.05. What will be the hypothesis status? What will be the hypothesis?
Null
So,
hypothesis is accepted, sir.
if it is greater than 0.05, null hypothesis are accepted. The result is there is no significant. There is no significant. So that what will be the hypothesis? There is no significant difference between destination and occupational stress. So that the occupational stress also not affected by the destination. Okay, so that will be the final interpretation. You can also go for one more interpretation. We can also go with for one more interpretation. So comparing with the clerk, you should take this variable. Okay, comparing with the clerk significant value is 0.680. Please take the last one. In your significant value, please take last one, 0.680. The clerk significant value is 0.680. Okay. Another one is the officer value is 0.584. Officer value is 0.584. See that another one. Manager is 0.9. Okay, manager 0.9. So like that, you have to be enter all the variable on here. Then you can also write the interpretation for this one. You can also write interpretation for this one. Senior managers is 1.0. Senior managers are 1.0. Senior managers are 1.0. Here you can take the interpretation as the here also not significant because of 0 greater than 0.0105. It also not significant. It also not significant. It also not significant, which means the clerk does not or not affected by the occupational stress, and also officers and also managers and also senior managers. The final conclusion will be no one are affected by stress. No one are affected by the stress due to heavy workload. Sorry, due to the organizational reason. Because of I clubbed all the variables here organizational reason. Okay, so that no one are affected by organizational reason. So the final interpretation is the organizational reason, the organizational policies are very good. The organizational policies are very good. No one are not affected by the stress. That is the interpretation. So one more table you can see on here, homogeneous set. Okay. It also display the same result. Okay. And the highest value is that officer 16.5. The highest value is of our officer 16.5. Okay. Suppose it will be shown in the diagram. It will be shown in the diagram. Please look at the officer 16.5. Suppose if they are affected by stress, the output is officer is highly affected by the 16.5. Officer grades are affected by the stress. Okay, they will affected by the 16.5. Now, what will be the conclusion on here? The officer grade has so large number of value. Officer has 0.6. I think what will be that? Sorry, the mean value. Sorry, the Turkey value is for officer is 16.5. 16.5. It is included that among all the variables, organizational reason does not much more affect the officer officer group of employees. Okay, they are not affected by stress. They are not affected by organizational reasons. So it is interpreted that organizational reasons are favorable to the officer group of people. Can you understand? See, I have write the
Yes, sir.
result of this chat. Okay, homogeneity. Okay, homogeneity subset. I can write the result with this chat. Okay, I hope it will be understandable to you. Okay, I had explained all the tables on here. The main interpretation is ANOVA. Suppose if you are going for writing a paper for conference proceedings, ANOVA interpretation is only enough. At the same time, you are going to write a PhD thesis. You may insert also this table. You may also insert this table. Whenever you are inserting more table in your PhD thesis, it will be more effective. It will be more understandable by the external examiner as well as other stakeholders. Okay, are you understand? Could you understand? Descriptive is not needed. Okay, descriptive is not needed. Anyway. Okay, whether it is understandable to you? ANOVA. So here I also completed the ANOVA. So from my side, today lecture is over. Please, if you have any doubt, you can answer with me. If you have any doubt, please ask a question with me.
Yeah, thank you very much, sir.
Thank you,
Dear
sir.
participants, dear participants, as the speaker sir rightly said, the session is open for discussion. You can clarify your doubts through chat box or unmuting your mics. I repeat, dear participants, the session is open for discussion. You can clarify your doubts through chat box or unmuting your mics.
Please unmute yourself and ask your doubt. If you have any. Are you clear? Are you clear about all the tests? Are you clear about all the tests?
Yes, sir.
So, can anyone say oral feedback for me? Anyone can say oral feedback for my lecture?
Sir, thank you for explaining all the tests, and it was clearly explained so that we can understand easily, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Is any of you have any doubt? If you have any doubt, also put it on also chat box also. Please put it in on chat box also. Whether all the tests are required for data analysis? No, sir. All the tests are not required. Depend upon your questionnaire, depend upon your objective, depend upon your hypothesis, you can apply the test. Okay, sir. Could you understand? Hypothesis and the objectives only set by you, not by anyone. Okay. Any more doubt? Please unmute and ask with me.
Sir, one question.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, do we need to, can we have without a hypothesis, can we do a mixed method study?
Without hypothesis, what we are going to do?
Maybe the qualitative part of study, we can even without
Qualitative,
hypothesis.
if you are going for qualitative, just go to Nivivo. I think Nivivo, I think the software name is Nivivo. SPSS is only suitable for quantitative analysis.
Yes, sir. When we are doing mixed method, quantitative and qualitative, should we use this hypothesis compulsorily, or we can even skip the hypothesis and do it?
I don't know about the qualitative, ma'am. I'm not familiar about that. I think hypothesis also available on here, but in a quantitative method, you surely frame the hypothesis. Then only the study will be effective one.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much. Okay. Any more doubt? Any more doubt?
Yeah, anybody else? Any question, any doubt, any clarification? So if there is no question, shall we stop here, sir?
Yes, sir. If you are going to wind up, you can go.
Yeah, sir, just have a glance in this chat box also. Whether some questions are there or not.
I had already explained, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay.
I had explained
Okay.
part of this.
Okay. So with this, we'll stop here, sir. Once again, we'll meet virtually tomorrow at 7:30
Sure,
p.m.
sir.
In our next session. So till then, take care. Bye-bye. Thank you, speaker, sir. Thank you, participants. Good night, speaker, sir. Good night, participants.
Thank you, sir.